Hey, what's up everybody? We're back with a new video. So check it out. Right in front of us, we got this box that says book, also known as libro in Spanish. So check it out. We just got these in and I wanted to show you what's inside of the box that's titled book. So let's check it out. Ooh, what do we have here? We only got 5 copies, guys. Not a lot of them. We try to get more, but this is all we could get. So you can see right here, 5 copies. This is all that could fit in this box, and it's heavy. All right, I'll put that right there. So check it out. As you can see, 124 scale. This is pretty much a book. It's not really a mag. It's more of a book. They do magazines, but model art from Japan. This is all in Japanese. And I'm just going to do a quick little flip through to kind of show you guys what's inside of this book. As you can see, it's a lot of Tamiya kits, tutorials, page by page instructions, ideas, get inspired. A lot of cool things, showing you right here. What is this? The R34. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot of information on here. I mean, if you have an app that can translate Japanese to English, you're already ahead of the game right there. I like looking through this stuff, looking through the pictures. I got to get that app. That's for sure. But check it out, guys. Right there. All in this book. It's really thick. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. To the end. That's a pretty nice photo right here. So these are now available. They're up on the site. Limited edition. And once we sell out, I don't know how long it's going to take. It took a minute just to get these copies right here. So model art. Oh, and before we go, another bonus item I wanted to share regarding model art. They also make these. I ordered some of these copies right here. These are mesh. And let me see if I can get a little close up right here. As you can see. Here, this probably look better this way. Model art. This is the rhombus mesh, pretty much to get it in right there, on the front grills and different parts. So there's that one, and there's this other one right here too. This is a bit more smaller, a bit finer. You can see this one's a bit more transparent. This other one's a rhombus mesh, and it's pretty much 2 different sizes, 2 different parts. As you can see right here in this little photograph, you can see the style that it's in. These come in handy. This is just another option. I know, there's other companies like Zoom On that make their own, Detail Master, but this is one straight from Japan, model art. Check it out. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.